Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is the final video series of how and when to get started with a power lead system. It's basically how to get started with a power lead system, part 6. This is the last video of this series. I hope you enjoy this whole entire session because I did it for you. Because I know you're beginner, you're stuck, confused, and you need something to follow. So pay close attention to this final video of the video series. And if this is your first time at this channel, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button right below this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. So that's when you'll be notified when I do videos just like this. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, this is the final video, part 6 of the how and when to get started with the power lead system. It's basically how to get started. So basically, recapping, we pretty much throughout the video series, we went from basically when you start, this is pretty much like an overview because I know you're stuck, confused, and overwhelmed. Let's say this is your first video of the video series and you just want to watch part 6. I'm going to get a quick recap because I know what you're thinking. You're stuck, confused, overwhelmed with different type of projects. Maybe your mind said it's not really what it needs to be, but we're going to go ahead and change all that because I'm going to get you to focus on committing to this program and of course get you out of stuck and overwhelmed and get you start to making progress and results in your business. Now, part 1, we talked about getting started by clicking on the easy button. And don't forget, right below this video, you can click on the link of my #1 recommendation of making money online. You click on that link and get you right started as a gold member. Now, part 1, we talked about being a gold member, starting out clicking the easy button. Really easy. Click on the easy button. You get started with the 3 simple steps. You go right through those steps. You watch that video. Then part 2 and part 3, I'm combining them together. We talked about the diamond package and the platinum package. The diamond package is $147, but you get bonuses and you make more money by basically leveling up. You get a chance to make more money. You get $100 commissions each person you bring in. And if that person brings somebody in, you get an override of $20. Now, platinum, we talked about in one of the videos, I believe video 3, we talked about platinum level. You get the Social Profit Academy training, which basically helps you grow your Facebook and your presence online. And of course, it's $497. So I understand I said, of course, $497, but check this out. $400 in terms of commission in each person you bring in. And of course, an override tier 2, you get $50 each person. That person brings somebody in, you get a $50. And it's unlimited. You can bring any means people you want, and you can leverage the system. So you have a primary business, you can leverage this system to sell and market in that business here. And of course, we talked about the Master Traffic Institute, which is right here. And check this out. They have videos on all these things. So these blue things are videos to watch. So if you click on that right there, there's a video there to watch about being a Master Traffic Institute. So it teaches you exactly what you need to do to become a Master Traffic Institute. And all the bonuses and stuff is right below this video. All the way down here, it has all the bonuses starting with the Traffic Generation 101. So basically, Master Traffic Institute is like the ultimate package. It's like the ultimate granddaddy of them all because you get a chance to make a $1,000 commission on one sale. You know, it's $14.97 one time, but you have the opportunity to get $1,000 sales, $1,000 hours. So all results are not typical. Of course, you have to follow the steps in the training, which is more important. I'm just telling you what it's capable of doing. So I'm not saying you get on here, you're going to make $1,000. I'm just telling you, you have the opportunity of being positioned. Once you got to be positioned, so you have to be upgraded to these type of packages like the Master Traffic Institute to be able to make that residual income. Remember, Power Lead System pays every Wednesday. They don't mind paying money. They don't really mind. That's what they want. They want to be able to pay you on a weekly basis. Why not level up and take advantage of these opportunities? And then you get all these bonuses and stuff like that. So we talked about that in the last video. And in this video, I really wanted to just kind of like just do an overview, talk about all the packages. You can add your picture here. And you get unlimited subdomains right there. Remember, it's like $17.97 for the whole year on one domain. And you can use limited, unlimited subdomains. So you can have 5 different offers going in with 5 different subdomains. So that is really powerful. My domain I have is adamsheltoncoaching.com. That's my domain that I pay for. But you can use subdomain. So you can say, you know, july.adamshelton.com. That could be an offer. You can say, you know, august.adamsheltoncoaching.com. That could be another offer. You see what I'm getting? You can put a word dot and then that domain. That's called a subdomain. So you can keep using that, different ones, different offers. One thing I want to show you in the back office here is that you'll be access to be, when you're Master Traffic Institute, you get all this. You see all this right here? You get all this. You get the inland free leads. I just want to show you all the training that you do get, being all in. And when all in means, pretty much means all this is green. You got this, you have this, which is Diamond, Platinum, Master Traffic Institute. And make sure you got your picture there. Make sure you smile when you got your picture. Gold member is usually the first things people do. Level up, it's a 7-day free trial into a gold member. That's $53.97 per month, but you'll be positioned to make income, residual income on a daily, or even weekly, or even monthly basis. And here's your domain right here. But I want to show you the websites here. This is something we did not do before. So I'm going to show you some of the websites, some of the capture pages that you definitely can use inside this system here. Now, when you go into the system, this is what I'm talking about. Look at all the capture pages you can use. You can use all these different capture pages. This is one here that I actually been using. I'll tell you right now, I've been using this capture pages for, you know, for my primary business and for my other businesses. I use this capture page here. This is one of the capture pages you can use to basically level up, and you can change the text. You can change this text, this here, and pretty much this is just a capture page where you want to collect the information from the customer. So when you click here, it's going to ask for the email address. You just put your email address in there, and then you can skip the survey. I'm just going to skip the survey, and this actually goes to my primary business. This is just to make an example of how it works. So these are all the funnels and capture pages you can use, and look at all the stuff you can customize, which means you can create your own ones as well. I'm just showing you a brief overview. What you get these. Look at all these capture pages. You can use all these in here. Now let me click on another one. You can use this one right here, and you can change the text. If you need to change the text, it's really easy to do. You can also change the text on any of this, the color, the background. It looks really, really cool. So I'm just showing you a few things you can do. Let's go ahead and let's see here. Let's go ahead and use, I'm going to go ahead really quickly. I want to show you something really, really cool. So check this out. So let's go ahead and use this one right here. I'm just going to take this right here. So you can actually change this. You can change the text to wherever you want to change it to. That's what's cool about it. You can change this to whatever phrase you want to have to collect the information, which is really, really cool. So let me go here and let me go back up here, go at the top here. And I am going to do, this is how you change it. I'm going to do one real fast. So you can say copy web pages. This is the way I do it. So let's say I want to use one of the web pages. You go to copy web pages, and let's say we want to change, I'm going to do this, copy here, copy there, and it should go all the way down to the bottom. Look at all the copy pages in here. I'm going to make a copy of that. So I'm going to make a copy of this one right here. I'm going to show you how to do it pretty much, pretty much how to edit it. So right here, I want to change the name to something like, I want to change the name, let's say Freedom Lifestyle, and change the web page. And this is about the subdomain I was talking about. So this is my domain here. This is the subdomain. So this is already bought. Remember I was talking about $17.97, and I got it from GoDaddy and for a whole year. I think I got 2 years. So I want to go 2 years. And I'm just going to say Freedom. That's just going to be the actually subdomain name. So it'll be freedom.adamsheltoncoaching.com. And here's where you can tie it to your old autoresponder. If you have Aweber or Get Response, you can actually basically, when they opt into your page, this will go right to your autoresponder. But if you don't have an autoresponder, don't worry about it, because the Powerlead system has its own autoresponder. So you actually can go right here and choose whatever email follow-up campaign you want to use. So let's use, I'm just going to do a test here. Let's do this one right here, opportunity campaign. So that means that this person will get 14 emails on a daily basis over this opportunity. And you can also click on view campaign, and you can see what type of emails is going to be. These are all the emails they're going to get day 0 to day 20. So they're going to get email follow automatically in the system. And then right here, What this is was what sales page you want to use. So we already have a capture page. Now what sales page we want to use? So I'm going to use the I'm going to use a sales page. I'm going to use one of the hot ones here. This is going to use the Power Lead System Interview. This is one I've been using here, the Power Lead System Interview Series. And what I love about it, you can click on View Page. Click on View Page here and check it out here. View page, you guys can view exactly what's going to do. This is the video they're going to watch, and these are all the outstanding leaders that has success in the system. Just a handful of leaders that have done very, very well. Just a handful. And then you click on Save Changes. Click on Save Changes, and then here what I'm talking about, you can change the background of the capture page. So let's say we want to change it to a different custom background. So we'll go right here, and we'll say Submit. Click on Submit there. And it automatically goes to white background. That's just defaults to a white background. But let's say we want a nice little, really beach one. Let's say we wanted this one with the little drink and everything. Looks really, really cool. So you click on there and look at this. There it is right here. Check it out. That's the background. And this is the text that we selected. So you can say create leads. You can say creates leads in daily cash. Daily revenue. I'm just making an example. This is how easy you can do. Just make an example. So see how easy you can just text it right there. Save the changes. I just changed cash to revenue. And check this out. Click on view and voila. It says my subdomain right here. And look at this. Look at that right here. I changed the revenue. Now I would change the text here to make it white. That way you can see it. But I wanted to show you a capture page we just built on the spot. We just built on the spot a capture page. And if I go ahead and put my email in here, or put the email in there, it's going to go to a sales page opportunity. It does go, I love this, have the verification code. That way it keeps the bots and all the other junk out the way. You definitely want to have that on. And 56. So I'm going to go ahead and put a code in here. Yes, continue the tour. And check it out. Goes right to the opportunity, the sales page opportunity, and goes right to there exactly where I wanted to go. And then you can go ahead and click on Start My Free Trial or how the system works. Just like that. So if you click on there, start your free trial, go ahead and get signed up. So that's the basic overall view of the Power Lead system in terms of building a custom capture page. I wanted to do part 6 of this to show you how powerful it is. And you can use that sales page I just showed you. You can use that for your other opportunities. You selling something from Amazon, you selling something from ClickBank, anything like that, we can leverage the system. So click on the link below this video to get started, get level up. There's my #1 recommendation online that had that phrase right below this video. And then there's a link right underneath it. Click on there, be part of my team, and we'll go ahead and have an outstanding year. I can't wait to see you on the inside. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.